Hey guys, we're today over here at the Memorial Day car show in Lake Helen. I got the wife here, bought her beautiful Rubicon out called Sea Smoke. And of course we got the Beast over here. We got Javier's GT350, one I was posted on the channel already. We got David D'Amato's GT. And we have, of course, Michael's KR. Gonna walk up and down the aisle a little bit. People are just starting to come in. This show is pretty big, so it'll be packed later for sure. And it has all makes, all models, all new, all old. Just gonna do a quick short video of what we have today so far. We got our tent set up. There's Javier and Michael getting ready for the long, hot day.
No kidding, really? It's gonna be about 97 today. No rain until 3 o'clock, I think.
I'm gonna walk across the other way here. Nice C28 old school, clean. Damn, that's a clean car. I'm gonna walk across the way over here. Looks like we got a bunch of Mopars. The grass is a little wet because it rained last night. So this whole field will be packed.
Morning.
Good morning, guys.
How are you doing?
Beautiful, beautiful. Got some Mopars. They'll have some food trucks out here. They'll have music playing. So all to honor the veterans that lost their lives. I'm gonna get my registration papers. All right, guys, I'll come back with some more video. White looks good.
That's a 70. He says 77. They're probably all
78.
78. That's square. Okay, that's smaller body style. Yeah, like mine. When I had it, everything.
Morning.
And it'll give you a number if they're in. That was 105.
Getting that nice C28 right here. I think it's so clean. Look at that thing. I like it.
That guy does that like a 63 or 60, like that body. In the 60s. You want to go down the joint? Put these on the dash? No, put it on the window.
Morning.
Where'd you go? Yeah, but where? Give you a number.
I gotta get the Jeep in video. There you go. Okay. The puppies. Got some puppies. Hi, puppies. We like puppies on our channel. How you guys doing?
Good.
Stickers add 5 horsepower. Is it?
Yeah.
60 Willie. Nice. That's old school, boy. Woo.
Man, 55 was my favorite.
Got Bel Air.
56 is the best.
56 are right now, they're we got there about.
Things are starting to get packed. Oh, I'm following you. I'm trying to find you. Oh, okay. You got the Willie.
There's a 67 to the right. That's a two-door Chevrolet.
I got the music playing in the background. It's not my music.
What's over? You got a Nova moving around now.
You got Don and Russ over here. How you doing, guys? Thank you. There's my buddy Thomas's Saline.
Okay, you got a Nova coming down your aisle now.
Some Boss 302. And we got some Viper RT10. Which way you want to walk? All the way down that way? All right, we're going to go down that way. Yeah, starting to get packed up in here. Sounds good. A little C8 action here. Challengers. A little of everything at this show. Got motorcycles, trucks.
If I was a car, you'd have been dead.
All the horsepower I need right here.
50-50 time.
Police
50-50
officers
time.
from Detroit, right? Yep. Man, all right. Another $100 bill. Compliments of Airport Insurance. 047387. $100 cash money. 047387. I think we have a winner. Retired firefighter, they tell me. Another real hero. That looks like not it. Maybe up a little bit. It's getting close. I think you got it. The last ticket. Yes.
That's all she wrote, folks. Have a good one, guys.